Hi, guy. Babs here. Alrighty, so this was actually supposed to be two different videos, but you guys are GT, so I figured you guys could get it if I put it in one video, and that would save you from having to do another video. So let me go ahead and get this started in present mode. All right, so we're going to be doing same sign and different signs, adding integers. So go ahead and make sure you have your Cornell note page out. Um, The title is going to be same sign and different signs, adding integers. I'm going to put your name there, 6th grade GT math, and then August, whatever today's date is. Your keywords are integers, subtract, and add. And added the lyrics of a song. And I have my phone here, and I'm going to sing the song for you. This is a song that you are going to need to have in your head, memorize in your head. It's a really easy song. To the tune of Row, Row, Row Your Boat, and it's going to help you decide what it is you need to do. Here we go. Seriously? Okay, here we go. Same sign, add and keep, different signs subtract. Use the sign of the larger number, then you'll be exact. Same signs, add and keep, different signs subtract. Use the sign of the larger number, then you'll be exact. Alrighty, so that is a song that you're going to remember, so you're going to hear me saying that a lot. So I know a lot of you were getting a little bit confused when you were doing your notes last time. I just put a huge box of questions on there. You need to write questions 3 through 8 with the number lines on your notes. So if you notice, all of these, like this one's negative, 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 negative. So when I try to figure out how I'm going to add these, I'm going to think of the song. Same sign, add and keep, different sign, subtract. Use the sign of the larger number, then you'll be exact. Sorry. Okay, so we are same sign, add and keep. So if I look at this -5 and a -5, we're going to add it and we're going to keep the sign. So now I did not, I'm going to be writing this, so forgive me because I know this is about to look a hot mess. Okay, so it's going to be -8, and we're going to keep the sign, so it's going to be negative. Okay, this one right here, same sign, so we're going to add 3 plus 1 is 4, and then we keep the sign. So this one's going to be -4. All right, -3 plus -7, same sign, so you're just going to add the 7 and 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this one is going to be 10, and we keep the sign, so this is going to be negative. All right, same thing over here, -4 plus -1. It's same sign, so you're going to add and keep the sign. All right, you guys get the picture? All right, I'm going to erase this because we need to now do the number line, because I was looking at your release star from last year, and this question is going to be in here. Okay. So on this one, we need to know how to do it on the number line. So if we are on here, it's going to have like a line right here, and then we're adding 2. Now, you would think if we were adding, we would go this way, but it's a -2, so we're actually going to go this way. So from here, it'd be -1, -2. So we'd go from here to here, and that's how we got -7. On this one, we started at -3. I mean, sorry, at -1. We're adding, but we're adding another number, so we're going that way. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3. So this is like my line, but I'm just using it by dots. And then I have my line here. So that's how we got -4. And then right here, we would start with -3. It's my line right here. And then we would add a -7, so we're going to go this way. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This one goes all the way here, and we go all the way here. So you notice that I did 7 and 8. I want you to do 7 and 8 on your own. So go ahead and fill that in. All right, let me go back to my, let's see here. Okay, go ahead and add your question right there. I'm just pointing at my screen. And now we are going to go back to our song. Let me start it over. Same signs, add and keep. Different signs, subtract. Use the sign of the larger number, then you'll be exact. All right, so we're going to do the same thing here. So now if you notice, we have a positive 9 plus a negative 3. So on this one, it says different signs we're going to subtract, and we're going to use the sign of the larger number. Now, using the sign of the larger number is going to get tricky because it actually does not mean the larger number. It actually means the larger absolute value. So here's what we're going to do. 9 plus negative 3, it's two different signs, so we're going to subtract. So 9 subtract 3 is 6. So I'm going to go ahead and write my 6 here. And then which one is the furthest away from 0? Well, if 0 is here, we have 3 right here, and then we have 9 all the way over here. So the larger number is 9, the larger absolute value. So the sign is going to be positive. On this one, we have negative 2 plus 7, different signs, a negative 2 and a positive 7. So it's going to be, we're going to subtract 7, 6, 5. We get 5. But then we have to figure out what sign. Well, which one is furthest away from 0? It's going to be 7. So our answer is going to be positive 7 or positive 5. Okay, and then we have negative 15 plus 4. Again, different signs. Negative 15, positive 4. So 15 subtract 4, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. It's going to be 11. Which one is the furthest away from 0? It's going to be negative 15. So this is going to be a negative. And then we have different signs again here. 1 plus negative 4. So different signs, a negative 4, positive 1. So you subtract and we're going to get 3. And the one that's the furthest away from 0 is the 4. So this is going to be negative. Okay. So now if I were to do this on my number line here, I would start with 9. And I'm going to add a negative 3. Let's see here. Is that add? Okay, add a negative 3. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3 right here. That's my line. So I got 6. And then on this one, we started at negative 2 and we added 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we got all the way to 5. All right, and then here we started at negative 15. We added 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which got us negative 11. And then on this one, we started at 1 and we added a negative 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got this right here. And that's what it would look like on a number line. Alrighty, so you really just need to make sure that you remember the song. You're going to have to memorize the song, so you better make sure you got it ready for tomorrow. All right, on this one, I need you to go ahead and add your question here. And then you need to, this is like all in the way. I don't know how to get this out of the way. Okay, you're going to add your summary down there. So we added our summary. And then up here on my page, it doesn't have essential question, but on yours it does. Remember, in order to do your essential question, you take your summary and you turn it into a 1-sentence question and you put that up there. And that is the notes for today. Quick and easy. I will see you guys in class tomorrow. Math with Babs. Bye, guys.